Innichka chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making cake, breakfast cake. Anyone cake for breakfast? Oh yes, we love healthy breakfast in our house, and this cake I give full permission to eat for breakfast. It's full of protein, it's delicious, a lot of vegetables, fiber, and a lot of eggs. It's all good stuff and spices. It's delicious. Easy to make and takes few minutes. Let me walk you through. And for the ingredients for this cake, we need a lot of vegetables, and I'm using summer squash. You can use zucchini or combination of all. A lot. 3 cups of shredded, and I'm not going to shred. I will use food processor, which is easy. It comes in 1 second. It will be ready. Eggs, almond flour, raisins, craisins, or any dry fruit you wish, or combination of all. Nuts. Since I'm using almond flour, I thought it would be nice to use almonds as well, but use nuts, the one you like, or the nuts you wish. Or if you like to not use nuts, use chocolate chips, which wouldn't be so much breakfast anymore. And for the sweeteners, we're using maple syrup. Honey would be nice as well. A little bit of olive oil. We need some fat. Even nuts has a lot of fats, and egg yolks, especially for my chicken, they're so bright, deep, rich color of egg yolks. Some olive oil we need as well. And for the spices, salt, Celtic salt, baking soda, cinnamon, and one of my favorites, may not for everybody, but cardamom. Try. Kind of Middle East use a lot in Indian spices, and previously I already made a cup of recipe with cardamom and chickpea muffins. It's must try. I will link below that recipe. It's high protein muffin as well. And that's about it. Very simple. Let's do it. First of all, we need to grind our squash. And I will do a food processor just to save my time. It's all about quick recipes. Just cut roughly. Let's see. Scrape. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. And we need 3 cups of this, almost like paste, but still has little chunks. About this recipe, you can use overgrowth if you have summer squash big and it's become more hard and it's not appealing to eat as it is. For this recipe, since you grind, you can use any squash, summer squash, and this time of the year we have so much vegetables and I like to use that. This recipe is perfect for that. Took only 2 on bigger size summer squash to make 3 cups, and to this we add maple syrup or honey, whichever you prefer, olive oil, and eggs. And to the dry ingredient, add baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and cardamom. Cardamom smells so good. I love how cardamom smells. And cinnamon, of course. Great combo. And now, so easy. Dry to the wet. Raisins and nuts. I will give a little chop. Okay. Level up. now 350 Fahrenheit and about 40 minutes. We'll keep eye on. Smells so good. Can't wait to try. Delicious. While it's cooling down, we're going to make a frost topping. It's going to be creamy and extra delicious. And for the ingredients for the topping, you need cream cheese, regular full fat. I'm adding cream fraiche. You can add Greek yogurt, Greek full fat again, or really any yogurt you wish. Little bit of maple syrup, 1/4 cup, increase if you like it really sweet, and 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And that's it. It takes 1 second. Make sure it's room temperature. Cream cheese. Now we add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of crème fraiche. And it's breakfast cake, right? We need some yogurt. Homemade yogurt would be nice too. Once a while, stop and scrape. Look at this gorgeous frost. Oh my goodness, I can eat as it is. I try to not eat cream cheese often, or use in my cooking often. I prefer more natural cheeses like kefir cheese. And I have a recipe for that as well. I will link below how to make. And I hope you can enjoy some savory treats as well. I posted last year delicious appetizer with cream cheese, homemade kefir cheese. It's with smoked oysters. It's so good. It's delicious. And nice treat in summer as well. But today, I'm using regular cream cheese available every store. Easy to make this frosting. And delicious for breakfast or dinner. The cake's still slightly warm, but I can wait. Here we go. And a little bit of crushed almonds, just for the texture, a little crunch on top. Why not? We love crunchy food. And now is the best moment to try. Yummy. So good. Slightly sweet, creamy, and good for you, healthy. And if you have too many summer squashed zucchini, turn into cake and serve for breakfast. Your children will be happy. And really, anybody. This cake, nice to have in the refrigerator as a treat afternoon as well, with a cup of coffee. Or for dessert, healthy dessert, why not? I hope you enjoy this recipe, and for all similar or related or everything what I mentioned, I will link below as always. In my full blog, you will find more details about this recipe and components, all ingredients I like to use. Also, not a while ago, I registered myself on Patreon. So if you're watching my channel and want to support, please visit the page of Patrons. On my YouTube channel, if you haven't subscribed, please do it and share with your friends, family, give me a like. Bye, see you next time.